going on? Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it's Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, making Chicken Bacon Ranch Quesadillas. I'm holding this mic for a reason. I can't find my other mic. So, first off, I want to start with my bacon, okay? Now, I did get some chicken thighs, and I have already cut them down to size, just because we all know there's that one person that's going to sit there and say, "The chicken! He touched it!" Now we don't have to worry about that. I hope you guys are excited to cook like I'm excited today. It's just been a bit stressful here lately. I enjoy cooking. It kind of calms me down. You preheat your oven for your bacon, 350 degrees. Yeah, it's good. It's good to be in the kitchen, to have your mind on other things. You know, cooking kind of takes that out of it. It relieves your stresses a little bit. I enjoy it. So I'm gonna get my bacon down. I got some apple centered smoked thick bacon. Make it crispy. It's the weekend. We're apparently supposed to get some kind of storm. We'll see what transpires with that. So hopefully it rains, because I don't want to do nothing. But being honest with y'all, I want to be lazy. I want to have some cooking videos. I want to get filmed and shot for y'all. That's what I want to do. Chicken. We got chicken thighs here. Use some roasted garlic Asiago seasoning. I covered it in some avocado oil earlier. Just sprinkle it up there. Little Morton's natural seasoning. A little bit of that salt. A little bit of that honey barbecue rub. And y'all season it how you want it. I typically do about the same seasonings. Pepper. We haven't had Aspen do pepper for us in a little while. Some of this Parmesan Ranch seasoning by Blackstone. That's the good stuff. Well, that's the good stuff. I like this wild game rub. It's a really good rub. Mix all the seasoning on in there with the charcoal. Smells very good, very good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my helix, add my chicken to my helix side. About 8 chicken thighs in that bad boy right there. Now my chicken, looking a little thick. Dump it out. And give a little chop suey. Alright, I'm gonna grab my bacon. 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 So, I'm gonna grab my tortilla. Time to assemble. Avengers assemble. Grab some of my. I'll grab my tortilla. Grab some of my Kobe Jack cheese. Put it down. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. Mozzarella, pepper jack, Kobe's cousin, Quesadilla, whatever. I'm gonna throw some bacon pieces up there. Grab some of that chicken. Now, I use the Taco Bell Chipotle creamy sauce. Gotta spread it the best you can. If you don't have that, you can use spicy ranch. And just a dibble dabble of some little cheese. Kind of fold it over a little bit. You can either put this on a pan for your oven or that hot pan I had earlier. I'm gonna do the spicy ranch. Now fold it on over. Grab my pan where the bacon was on. I'm gonna set that right on down. Look at that. Wow. Chicken Bacon Ranch Quesadillas. That is a kid-friendly, I do believe. I believe this is Aspen's with the ranch. That little girl loves some ranch. That. There we go. That's it, y'all. If you look at the inside, look at that. That's good, y'all. And on that note, we out of 5,000. So y'all, I appreciate y'all being here, watching my video. If you guys like chicken bacon and ranch, and you think a quesadilla sounds pretty fantastic with bacon, chicken, and ranch, then you should do this.
Take a bite.
Your bird wants to take a bite? Yum, 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 yum. Does the bird like it? Hi, y'all. I appreciate y'all being here. Love you. Now, catch you. Say bye. Say we'll catch you. We'll see you in the next one. Say bye. Right here. Look. Say bye. We love you. Say we love you. We'll see you again.